Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another how-to video. Today it's raining outside, so I'm doing a little bit of maintenance around the shed, and today I will show you how to put new line onto your Ryobi line trimmer. And look, this might apply to a few other brands of line trimmer, but this is a Ryobi line trimmer, or whippersnipper as we like to call them in Australia. Now there's some line trimmer string that I've bought at my local supplier. Look, I'll show you how it works. There's two retainers here. There's one there and one there that you can depress with your fingers, and then the whole head will come off. Just be careful, there's a spring in there, make sure that doesn't get lost. When you take this thing apart, you will see that there's actually a hole there that comes out the other end. So your line trimmer string needs to go through that hole. Okay, I've just pulled this apart to show you how it works. You don't actually have to pull this apart. Okay, there's a line there with two arrows, and there's two arrows there on your housing. Keep that in mind. So let's put this back together how it was. So what you need to do is you need to line up that line with your arrows. So let's do that. As you can hopefully see there, it's now lined up. And once that's all lined up, you start very carefully feeding your string through there. It might take a little bit. There you go. It wasn't that hard. So now your string is fed through your line trimmer head, and you make sure that both ends are even. So I'll get my two ends, join them together, try and get it pretty close. There you go. Now what you do is follow that arrow that's on your line trimmer head there, and you start turning the yellow part there. Okay, keep doing that until you get to the right length. There you go, I've now got brand new string in my line trimmer and it's good to go. It really is that easy. So you do not have to take the head off. You just need to line up the arrows, feed your string into the hole, and then wind it up. Now if you have found this video helpful or useful at all, please do me a favour. Do give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button, not your line trimmer, for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.